This time we are working on the question, find the sum of the infinite geometric series g over 5 minus 1 whole over 25 plus 8 over 125 minus plus minus plus. I'm not sure if you are familiar with the word the infinite geometric series. So far, we worked on only finite geometric series, which is the sequence that you know the end of the terms. For example, you have to add all the way to 8 terms, 10 terms, something like that. But in geometric series, in infinite geometric series, you have to add endlessly. So what you can do with it? So first, I want you to recall the formula of the sum of geometric series, which is Sn equal a times 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. If you're not sure about this formula, please check out my previous video. But in this question, it is infinite geometric series, which means you don't know the exact number of n. How can you calculate it? I give you an example. If r is 1 and n is 1, which is 1 over 2, and if r is 1 over 2 and r is 3, it's going to be 1 over 8. And if r is 10, it's going to be 1 over 10,024. You might notice that if the power is so big, it's gonna get close to 0. So in infinite sequence, n is extremely big. So you can say if r, the absolute value of r is smaller than 1, and this is infinite series, r to the power of n is going to close to 0. To take advantage of that, you can rewrite the formula Sn equal a times 1 minus r to the power of n 1 minus r. When the absolute value of r is smaller than 1, and if this is infinite series, you can assume this is 0, so which is a over 1 minus r. This is a new formula. But again, you have to be careful when you use it. You have to make sure if r, the absolute value of r, is smaller than 1, and if this is infinite series. If the question satisfies these conditions, you can use this formula. Let's back to question. So this is infinite geometric series, and the common ratio, let me calculate it. 4 over 25 divided by 2 over 5 equal negative 4 over 25 times 5 over 2. Let me cancel it out. It's going to be negative 2 over 5. So this is the absolute value of r is smaller than 1. So you can use the formula Sn equal a over 1 minus r. So a is 2 over 5, and r is 2 over 5 as well. So negative 2 over 5. We calculate 2 over 5 times 7 over 5. Then it looks complicated, so let me rewrite like this. 2 over 5 times divided by 7 over 5 equal to over 5 times, let me flip it up, 5 over 7, cancel it out, and 2 over 7. That's it. So in this question, this is so important.